So this is from Kohree, and this is a plug receptacle for the TT-30 standard. Now we're going to set this up, but I'm actually going to use the larger cable that comes off of my RV, but I can't do that in studio. So if you want to know how to wire this, I'm going to show you now. Obviously, used and approved licensed electrician if your state requires it. Mine does not. If you're doing a like-for-like plug replacement, where I live, you are completely allowed to do this. I'm just double checking that I need to take off the remaining items here. So there's a gasket here at the end. I'm just double checking. Oh, yeah, that's the one I didn't need to take off. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And that's how it opens here. So now these are labeled really small. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them, but they are actually labeled white and black and green. So you could actually see which ones to do. So now if I bring that other cable in, so it looks like I did cut the right amount of this one off. So you would take your connectors out here and you would run your green here, your white over here, and your black over here. Once you've done all that, and again, run it through the gland first, there's this hold down, which is gonna go here, and it's gonna hold that waterproof connector in. And then you put it all back together. Now I'm not doing that here now, so that's just what you would do. You'd put it all back together and close it back up. And when it's closed, the pressure is being put on by the casing to hold these firm and tight. So if you're starting to see anything that looks like this on your connector, by the way, that can be super dangerous on an RV, and it can be a sign that there could be a fire coming up. So that's something that you want to look at.